Welcome to WP EasyCart. In this video tutorial we're going to walk through our tax system with Canadian tax. We know Canadian taxes are a little bit unique. They have a HST, a GST, a PST, and so EasyCart has a built-in system for taxes that allows specific Canadian tax options just because of the unique nature. So let's take a look at what we have here. We have just a basic demo of our products. And of course everything we do is going to happen in our settings and taxes. But before we do that, I always like to have users, and I get a lot of support requests on this, because they go through and set up taxes for a variety of things and they never see them. And so you have to go into every single product, and under tax options you have the option to make it a taxable product. And so it's just a little switch, but I've seen a lot of people get frustrated because they never see their tax system show up, and it's usually just because their product is not set as a taxable item. And this is a really popular issue when people start to duplicate products, because if you have one turned off and then you start duplicating it, it's going to be not on for everybody. So that's the first thing you want to do, is make sure that you have your products are tax enabled. Now let's go to settings and let's take a look at this. It's a pretty straightforward system in EasyCart. So if we go to taxes, one of our previous videos we walked through how to do state and country taxes, global taxes, duty taxes. VAT is very popular in Europe. We have a video specifically just on VAT. And TaxCloud is primarily just for US clients. But Canada, let's go ahead and turn it on. And when you do, you're going to see all your provinces here, and you're going to see your GST, your PST, and your HST rate just for those. And so you can see here, for example, I can turn off any of these provinces that I don't want to worry about if that's your situation. You can also come in and customize the rates. For example, British Columbia, GST 5, PST 7, HST 3. I don't know if those are right, but you can see the example here. And let's take a look at what it looks like on the store side. If a user is shopping, we'll just go ahead and throw something in here. Okay, you'll see at this level you can see the GST, PST, and HST. Now the reason I see them here in the shopping cart level is because I've already started the checkout process, so it has my address information already in here. If we were to remove that, maybe I was a US customer or I hadn't checked out yet, you would not see that at the cart level. Let's just say I have a US address here. You'll see here that you do not get your HST, GST, or anything. And if I go back to my shopping cart, you'll also notice that most users at the cart level will not see your tax rate until they actually get to the point where they add their address, and that is usually on page 2 of your checkout. So if we come in here and we do have a Canadian address, that means we have an actual match between the province, and then we go to continue payment. We now have collected the information that we need to get an accurate tax reading. And so this is all EasyCart does. You get a GST, PST, HST showing. If we go ahead and submit an order, just to give you an idea of what this looks like on the other end, the users will get that on their receipt. They will also see it here in their order details. You also see it if you go to your orders, and I'll just view an order here. You will see your totals and percentages show up here as well. And any of your extra print receipts, for example, like this, you see your tax rates specifically. So very simple system, but it's custom. It's pretty unique just to that situation. I know there's some other countries, Australia, that have used it before as well, with good success. So if you need to look at some of our other methods, maybe just a country tax or a state tax, you can certainly do that. But if you're looking for a Canadian tax option, we have it right here. Stay tuned for other videos. We do cover all these other sections if you're curious how they work, and we'll see you.